In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set widescreen 16.9 in LibreOffice Impress. If your slides look boxed in on modern screens or projectors, switching to a widescreen aspect ratio gives you more horizontal space and prevents black bars. We'll walk through the exact setting so your deck displays correctly and your content stays crisp. First, launch LibreOffice Impress. If you're greeted by the template chooser, that's fine. You can start from a blank presentation or continue with one you already have. Next, open your document. Use the File menu to open an existing presentation or pick it from your recent files. Make sure the presentation you want to convert is active before changing any settings. At the top of the screen, find the Slide menu and click it. From that menu, choose Slide Properties. This opens the Properties window for the slide deck, where you control size, orientation, and background. In the window, switch to the Slide tab. Depending on your version, it may be labeled Page. It's the tab that controls the slide's size and orientation. If you don't see it immediately, look along the top of the dialog for tabs, or on the left side in some themes. Under Paper Format, change the Format drop-down to Screen 16.9. If you don't see Screen 16.9, choose a size that matches a 16.9 ratio, or manually enter width and height values that are proportional, such as 33.87 cm by 19.05 cm, or 13.33 inches by 7.5 inches. Orientation should remain landscape for most presentations. You'll see a small preview update to reflect the new shape, which helps confirm you've selected the correct aspect ratio. Confirm your choice by clicking OK. LibreOffice may pop up a question asking whether you want to scale existing objects to the new size. Choose No if you want to prevent images and shapes from stretching. This keeps proportions intact, though you might need to nudge items to fit the wider canvas. If your content was designed for 4:3, expect some extra space on the sides. Use this as an opportunity to improve spacing, enlarge key visuals, or adjust text boxes. After the change, scan a few slides to make sure titles, footers, and logos are positioned correctly. If something looks off, select the object and drag it into place. Alignment guides will help you center items. If you use a master slide, ensure its placeholders suit the new width so layout stays consistent. That's all it takes to set your presentation to widescreen 16.9 in LibreOffice Impress. With the aspect ratio updated, your slides will fill modern monitors and projectors without black bars, and embedded videos will display at their native size. Save your presentation to keep these settings, and you're ready to present.